Hello class, today I would like to present you a website called asos.com, which is as seen on screen.com. This is a huge clothes and fashion retailer based in the United Kingdom, and I actively use this website to buy clothes, and I hope it will be useful for some of you as well. So the website was created around 10 years ago by 3 ambitious employees, and now it grew into a 40,000 employees project. It is quite widely used worldwide because of several things. One is that it provides clothes for both women and men. It is free delivery, it is easy to use, and both older population and kids can find something attractive for them. So the website greets us with sales. So for example, on this holiday, 60% off for some stuff for both men and women. Here you can choose a currency suitable for you and the language. And here is a menu. The website is a deep website hierarchy because you need to go through various layers to get to a specific stuff. Here's some basic information about the website. Here it one more time emphasizes that this is a free delivery worldwide. And in this part, the website is divided into pieces. One is about the brands which the website offers, which is Nike, Adidas, and so on. Huge amount of brands. And here is their own brand, ASOS, which is quite reasonable price, reasonable quality, not bad products. Talking about the campaigns which website is providing, I would like to emphasize on Marketplace. Marketplace is a campaign which ASOS created several years ago, and it allows young designers to sell their own clothes on this marketplace, on this platform. So you create your own boutique and then pay around 20% of your income to ASOS and sell it. It is quite actively used in the US and in the United Kingdom. So I guess it might be quite useful for some of you. Now moving to the main page. Here you also can find some information about the website in general, what do they sell, which brands, and so on. And here is the contact, social media, here is the payment, copyright, and so on. Now, if we move to how the website built it, the copyright is 2010, so the website is quite old and quite long operating already. The web server is IIS, which is created by Microsoft. Talking about the name server providers, it NetNames DNS, which is quite popular in the US and in the United Kingdom. Talking about email service, there are not just one, but several. Microsoft Exchange Online and so on. And I would like to mention that their email direct marketing is quite oftenly used by the website operators, and it's quite useful, so they sometimes sell you good propositions. There are hosting providers. Akamai is only most used for US and UK located websites. Content management system is not WordPress. Workplace by Facebook and Sitecore, a content management system. Here are the frameworks, ACP.NET, e-commerce, cart functionality. So as you have seen, the website has their basket where you can buy clothes, so they use cart functionality for this. Advertisement, just one tool. Analytics and tracking is for sure Google Analytics, also some features by Adobe and for some other providers. JavaScript libraries, for sure jQuery and other tools. A payment provider, so you can pay by Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, and there are some currencies. Mobile, this is for your website to look fancy on a smartphone, and a lot of websites use this tool, Apple Mobile Web Clips icon. Content delivery network, free widgets, a lot of document information which is not interesting, encoding languages. I don't know why there is no Russian language, however it is on the website. CDN providers and CSS media queries, not only jQuery but CSS as well, resolution for the website to look nice on the web page. And I would like to compare this website with a Ukrainian reseller, which is Rozyetka.com. It is not only for clothes, it sells a huge variety of stuff from the technology, smartphones to clothes and food and so on. The website is also a deep website hierarchy, so for example, to move to something you need to go through a huge amount of layers. Here you can see. This website is quite nice. It's quite easy to use, quite easy to buy, quite easy to pay and to deliver. The prices are quite reasonable, and it is greatly divided to a categories, so you can find your stuff without a lot of effort. To prove the huge variety, you can see, for example, new stuff here, the category, and here are laptops, food, clothes, armchairs, so really a huge variety. Also, website makes their own reviews and unboxing, so you can see it right there, and here are the link for all news and all reviews. Here social networks, your email to get a direct marketing, and also some copyright things. The one thing which I don't really like about this website is a huge amount of advertisement, and when we will move to how the website is built, you will see how many stuff they use for this advertisement. Sometimes it's annoying, however, the website is worth using and I use it quite often. Now talking about BuildWiz, the web server is something in Ukraine. The website is quite okay, even when there are a lot of users it is not lagging, that's why it's cool. SSL certificate, email services. Email services is not so developed as in ASUS, but also they sometimes sell you and send you great stuff, which is quite useful, and you can read their emails. Hosting providers, and now advertisement, so you can see how many tools they use. I guess you can compare it to the website which you reviewed, and you can see that it is like enormous amount. For example, doubleclick.net, a lot of websites use just this one tool, however they have like a huge amount. Moving further, analytics and tracking, for sure Google Analytics is the main one, but they also have something else. JavaScript libraries, they don't use jQuery. As you can see, they have Twitter platform, Google API, Facebook for website, some else platforms, but also it's quite functioning quite okay. Payment providers, basic, MasterCard and Visa, content delivery network, some stuff, mobile, and the same for your website to look okay on the smartphone. They use Apple Mobile Web Clips icon, several widgets, also quite useful, document information, not interesting. Encoding and CSS media queries. They don't use jQuery, but they use CSS media queries, for example, for orientation, for resolution, for the website to look nice on different screens. So basically that's it about the websites. I hope it was useful for you, and now you can use ASUS or Rosetka for your own needs. Thank you for your attention.